In this video, we will show you how to assemble your 80-volt 27.5-inch e-bike. Your e-bike came with a toolkit that includes all the tools you'll need. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Carefully lift the bike out of the box and set it down. Keep the box and packing material until you have assembled and operated the e-bike and confirmed it works properly. Cut the ties and remove the remaining packing material. The keys for the battery compartment are attached to the handlebars. You may remove them now. Finish unpacking the seat and mudguard. Remove the plastic covers from the front wheel. Inside the small box, you will find the headlight assembly, 2 pedals, a toolkit, and the quick-release axle. Charging the batteries. Greenworks batteries are not shipped fully charged, so we recommend charging them completely before use to get the maximum runtime out of your e-bike. This way, by the time you're finished assembling your e-bike, you'll have a fully charged battery, ready to go. Charge the battery by aligning its grooves with the ridges in the charger and sliding it into place. The charging light and cooling fan will come on to indicate it's charging. The light will turn green when it's fully charged. Greenworks batteries come with capacity indicator lights. Installing the handlebar. With the bike positioned upright and resting on the forks, loosen the 2 screws on the handlebar stem using a 5mm Allen wrench. Rotate the handlebar stem 180 degrees until it points forward. Make sure it lines up with the frame. Tighten the 2 screws to secure its position. Remove the 4 screws holding the stem cover in place using a 5mm Allen wrench. Remove the stem cover. Position the handlebar onto the stem, making sure it is centered and perpendicular to the bike frame. Be careful not to twist or damage the cables between the handlebars and the frame. Hold the stem cover against the handlebar and reinstall the 4 screws. Tighten the bolts diagonally in a crisscross pattern, rather than sequentially, to ensure the handlebar is secure and well balanced on the stem. The LCD screen mount can remain loose. Installing the front wheel. Flip the bike upside down so it's resting on the seat and handlebars. Be careful not to damage the LCD screen. Remove the factory-supplied bolt bracing the fork using a 13mm wrench. Remove the plastic spacer from the brake assembly. Position the front wheel between the front forks. Ensure that the front wheel is fully inserted into the slot of the front fork, and check that the disc brake fits into the brake caliper. Prepare the quick-release axle by unscrewing the nut and removing one of the springs. Carefully insert the quick-release axle into the front wheel's hub. Insert the spring, making sure it is properly oriented. The smaller side of the spring should be facing inwards. In one hand, hold the quick-release lever in the open position and screw in the nut until you feel resistance. Firmly close the quick-release lever and lock it into place. We recommend that the lever sit alongside the fork blade to minimize the chance of it being accidentally released. Installing the pedals. The pedals are labeled R and L. Screw the pedals onto the crank arms and tighten using a 15mm wrench. Note: the left pedal is reverse threaded and must be tightened counterclockwise. Flip the bike over. Adjust and tighten the screen mount with a 2.5mm Allen wrench and connect the display screen power cable. Installing the seat. Open the quick release clamp on the bike frame and insert the seat post. Adjust the seat to the desired height. Tighten and close the clamp. Installing the mudguard and headlight. Remove the 3 screws from the fork using the 4mm and 5mm Allen wrenches. Insert the mudguard over the front tire from behind. Secure the sidebars of the guard by reinstalling the 2 screws. Do not fully tighten them. Line up the top mounting bracket on the mudguard and the headlight assembly with the upper mounting point on the forks and insert the screw. Tighten the screw using a 5mm Allen wrench. Tighten the other 2 screws using a 4mm Allen wrench. Finally, connect the headlight power cable. And that's it. To learn more about this product, including operation instructions and maintenance, visit our YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your Greenworks e-bike will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.